Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 more useful English words.
These are words 401 through 500.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
Here's how we will practice.
I will say the English word.
Then I will read one simple example sentence.
Listen carefully.
Repeat the word after him.
Then listen to the sentence.
Repeat the sentence with me.
The more you listen,
the more confident your English will become.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Word 301.
Let's start learning.
Continue with words 401 through 500. 401. Hospital.
My father works at the hospital.
402. Doctor.
The doctor is very kind.
403. Nurse.
The nurse helps the patient.
404. Patient.
The patient feels better today.
405. Medicine.
Please take your medicine.
406. Pharmacy.
I bought medicine at the pharmacy.
407. Clinic.
The clinic opens at 8 o'clock.
408. Dentist.
I visit the dentist twice a year.
409. Tooth.
I brush every tooth carefully.
410. Teeth.
My teeth are clean.
411. Toothbrush.
I need a new toothbrush.
412. Toothpaste.
This toothpaste tastes fresh.
413. Soap.
Wash your hands with soap.
414. Shampoo.
This shampoo smells nice.
415. Towel.
Dry your hands with a towel.
416. Shower.
I take a shower every morning.
417. Bath.
The baby is taking a bath.
418. Mirror.
Look in the mirror.
419. Comb.
Use a comb for your hair.
420. Brush.
She uses a brush every day.
421. Headache.
I have a headache today.
422. Fever.
He has a high fever.
423. Cough.
Her cough is getting better.
424. Cold.
I have a bad cold.
425. Sick.
My brother is sick today.
426. Healthy.
My grandparents are healthy.
427. Exercise.
Exercise is good for your body.
428. Walk.
We walk every evening.
429. Run.
I run in the park.
430. Stretch.
Stretch before you exercise.
431. Soccer.
We play soccer on Saturdays.
432. Basketball.
My friends like basketball.
433. Tennis.
She plays tennis well.
434. Baseball.
Baseball is popular here.
435. Swimming.
Swimming is fun in summer.
436. Bicycle ride.
We enjoy a bicycle ride together.
437. Game.
The game is exciting.
438. Team.
Our team won the match.
439. Winner.
The winner received a medal.
440. Prize.
She won first prize.
441. Music.
I listen to music every day.
442. Song.
This song is beautiful.
443. Singer.
The singer has a lovely voice.
444. Dance.
They dance every weekend.
445. Movie.
We watched a funny movie.
446. Television.
The television is on.
447. Radio.
I hear the news on the radio.
448. Newspaper.
My grandfather reads the newspaper.
449. Magazine.
She bought a magazine.
450. Photo.
This photo is old.
451. Camera.
My camera takes clear pictures.
452. Picture.
That picture is beautiful.
453. Computer.
I use my computer every day.
454. Laptop.
My laptop is new.
456. Keyboard.
The keyboard is clean.
457. Mouse.
Click the mouse once.
458. Internet.
The internet is fast today.
459. Website.
I found it on a website.
460. Email.
Please send me an email.
461. Message.
I got your message.
462. Phone call.
I received a phone call.
463. Video.
This video is interesting.
464. Channel.
I subscribed to the channel.
465. Password.
Keep your password safe.
466. Account.
My account is active.
467. Calendar.
Check your calendar.
468. Appointment.
I have a doctor's appointment.
469. Holiday.
Christmas is my favorite holiday.
470. Birthday.
Today is my birthday.
471. Gift.
Thank you for the gift.
472. Party.
We had a great party.
473. Candle.
Blow out the candle.
474. Celebration.
The celebration was wonderful.
475. Neighbor.
Our neighbor is friendly.
476. Community.
We love our community.
477. Police officer.
The police officer helped us.
478. Firefighter.
The firefighter saved the family.
479. Mail carrier.
The mail carrier delivers letters.
480. Librarian.
The librarian found my book.
481. Artist.
The artist painted a flower.
482. Musician.
The musician plays the guitar.
483. Engineer.
My sister is an engineer.
484. Programmer.
He is a computer programmer.
485. Mechanic.
The mechanic fixed my car.
486. Farmer.
The farmer grows vegetables.
487. Chef.
The chef cooked dinner.
488. Waiter.
The waiter brought our food.
489. Waitress.
The waitress was very polite.
490. Pilot.
The pilot welcomed everyone.
491. Flight attendant.
The flight attendant smiled at us.
492. Actor.
The actor was excellent.
493. Actress.
The actress won an award.
494. Writer.
The writer published a new book.
495. Reader.
Every reader enjoyed the story.
496. Future.
I am excited about my future.
497. Dream.
My dream is to travel the world.
498. Goal.
Learning English is my goal.
499. Success.
Hard work brings success.
500. Confidence.
Practice builds confidence.
Excellent job.
Today you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 6.
Goodbye and happy learning!